Kinohikai Gisamla Puli ka School ba North Eastern Hills University Kilapan Pau ba Kisngau Hun halor ka jinga kendo ya arngot ki officer ki bawan na ka Ministry of Education ka Sarkar India. Habakren chikilap thai kubor u President ka Nihuta Professor Lakhan Kama ulong ba ka jinga kendo ya kini ki arngot ki officer ka Sarkar Padeng kalong ka ba saiso hadi maka nihu kalamat ya ka kendrum kenram la bon benai menta. Hendai ka juga por ulong ba kalapan sengau ha kini ki officer ka Sarkar India Bakimla ban pediang dalele ban wanra biang yu Vice Chancellor u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. Katkum ka jingong Professor Lakhan Kama kini ki officer kiladan ka dak kashin. Bagi peni walakim kwa ban yathu ru bat kermen bakin ai ya ka kaipot ka babha na ka benta ka jingbet jingbiang ka nihu. Hakabai ba ka kaipot jingtoket ka ba menshwa kini ki officer kim shim la yathu bale kislam ban sai madan hendai ki ong ba kadang don ha ka jing bishar bnia. Hagjugo por samla Ricky Deipuram Rabon beri Vice President ka Nihusu baru samla Kevin Nelson Wanrap u General Secretary ka Khasi Student Union Nihu Unit Kilapan Pau baka jingkren bakini ki arngot ki officer kalong ka basngau biang hendai gins up ya ka jingmi kawai ka ba Kilapan Pau kalong ba dalele kenam pediang show yo Professor Shukla bonwan biang kum VC hanihu
It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation that how we are doing with or without the regular VC and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted and they know. What is important, I don't have to repeat, I think you all have been here since November last year and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even, let's say, think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve the matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally they have finished meeting us, they are meeting Nihusu and after that Nihunsa and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that Nihu comes back to normalcy. And that is where I would I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. We have asked and they don't seems to have any reply because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us because we indeed started the meeting that before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry, we are still studying. But look like apparently they have already made up their mind. But what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee. No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him because this committee independently came here to assess the situation that when he is not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know, we are not privy to it. But with the meeting of stakeholders in Nihu, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Sungo, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. and Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Nakalian ka ki isu ni unit harangkat ka jingai trekam lang rangkat bat ka ni husu menen ka sing layo jing te bakin wan kini ki arngot ki de na ka Ministry of Education de marmar ntahi menen ka sing la draft ka city na yang bro atli ki seng hakaba ngin pediang subah gini bro atli ki arngot ki de wan apa Ministry of Education tambah ladak ka kiwan harangkat ka jingdan jung Shukla ngin pediang yo Shukla namar latip hi ke bejah po ni university po jing dalam jong te menepat menem step ni yo jing tep bakin wan bet tek tang maki tengi ru na kalian jungi ni pediang yaki te ni sungtana ru haju por kilak ailang ya kata por ban yo kenduk ini te na kalian ke jungi ni layo ban pen sngo yaki mat ki jura ke bangi kenduk kini ki si stem ki blalek kam tam ru kunju ha por ba jing dalam jong meu Shukla te nakaliang kajungi nila pen sngo shibun ki aka bat ni suturu ba hakan ka por katanya ba umdan pat ni Shukla la simti shwan kong Profesor Saha hadian kumju Madam Sungo hakan ka por ni sutu ya kajing ya bet ya nanti ki classes kajing ya ka development ka dan hapo ka university barak kawai ni sedang banyo kita ki basic necessities ki jongi ki ba ke bangi dan kam nadu ka surok kaya lenti ki footpath ki street lights kini kita kilala ban urlong pat ha ka jingelam jong Madam Sungo bat haswa jong Profesor Saha te ngila ban suturu ba ha ka jingelam pat jong Madam Sungo henden ka singal dan ka academic council te ha ka ba shibun palat cispa tam kino hikai kila iwan hakani kapo hakani ka academic council kata kapin isai ya ka jinglong tre hok jong ini Madam Sungo but na kalian ka jungi students su menen ka singi la yo simbetalang hata ka academic council but kapin ya ka jing shania teli tolong jungi students but kumju ki no hikai haka jinglam lenti jong Madam Sungo but ha ka ju oporo kumbang laong ba menen ka singi la draft ka city ya kata ka jing wan jung ni ki arngot ki napo Ministry of Education ngi pediang iki Henry kajingwan jung Profesor Shukla minum pediang dalele tang kata hi kadai kawai kamat ka bangsan nadu singi ni kong ki bangi syong baniki lakalong hapo paper bangila penya nadu ki snam ki blalen ne nadu hadu tu singi bangia syong syak tangan ru kata kaju sur keban mi nang ni syakmat ba nginu dalele ngin pediang yu Profesor
te man batip hi nila ya sen ya kasiti ya poro ki stakeholders jong ka university jong ni ban lang ban bat bet ya betul ka nongrim jong ni manginam sya syo ken ya Shukla tak no ken noro te kunta hi long kajungwan joki nila appreciate sya nila appreciate ki bakila wan kenang ba long katkum kajing ong joki kila ong hi ba kani kajungwan joki amdai baki wan ba employer no kiwan man ai kata ke resolution kebangi nila up nado meno te ngiruk ngila don hi kajing kerman bahkan ni kajing wan ki kan rak ke ka result ka bolong ba accept da barok ki stakeholder jong university katkum ka jikit jungi ya report kajing slam ka kita tengimla ban ong no ang ba ka resolution ru menta kidang ong kila ong hingi kila kular hingi ba ki ong ba ladami kano kata ka resolution ru kalong ba ka ba bah dengan mata jong katahi kat kumbang ong ipi ba resolution kalong baik ba kalong ke babha bat ni kerman ru ba ya Shukla kinam ailat su bat lada long ke result ke balong oppose ngi pat ke bangi musngo tenan te kata hi ngi tengin yang scam bat ba ya Shukla te dalele ru ngi nam syari ban ru ha ngi kelihi tang ba ki ong ba kila simakshan hi halor ke turu tang ba ke simpor bat badan ki problem basato sene takada ka kaslam gen kiwe pat ki agenda ngila ya thu iki ba mentahi ke university long nadu ba bomdon Shukla kan kala long kham smooth ke jingyat ke proses ngila yo ki development ki aka badru ngila batai ki ba ki labs ai ginohi ka ai recruitment ai ba kila slow palat te kituro kila sengap hingi ka kedon kata ke mutual understanding ba batngi batki hapor bayakan kila sengau thu hi ya kata batki ong ba kinle ke badan kam hoi ya ka arkan council long kila accept ni ministry barkala ya smooth hi menen barkikam kiba la ke bala disrupt na do kutu ke por ma bala long kutu kan because bala last year te ka la ya inta